So earlier I made a video about this opto-isolated photodarlington pair that I made with flyback diodes, and I used it to drive a couple of maracas. Well, I decided to get a little bolder and make a 4-channel version of it that is controlled by the output of the Siemens PLC. And I wanted to isolate all the sort of dirty power with 3 separate power supplies: a battery power supply for the solenoids and LED arrays with a fuse, separate fuses for each of the 2 supply voltages for the input that also feeds the power requirements of the Siemens PLC, and then the output interface board that puts 3,000 volts of isolation between the chaos from here and the order from here. So let's see if this works. So I looked at some special functions I wanted to use and then made a map of the functions I wanted, and I'm going to use this. And then I churned through a bunch of formulas and equations for each channel and programmed all that stuff. And so let's just walk through this. So the 0 state is nothing's on. So if I go least significant bit, most significant bit, 1 should have Q3 on, and it does. 2 has Q4 on, and it does. 3 has both Q3 and 4 on, and it does. Oh my. And then 4 has just Q2 on, and it does. 5 has Q1 and Q2, and it does. And then 6 just has Q1 on, and it does. And then all 3 of them, 7, everything is going. And they're going at different rates, which proves that these are all separate channels. Each rate is controlled as a parameter inside the PLC, and the PLC also controls the 25 millisecond pulse set to each of these solenoids and LED arrays. Thanks for watching.